Welcome to this session on virtualization and cloud-based testing environments, two technologies that are revolutionizing how modern software testing is executed. These tools bring flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency to testing teams of all sizes. Let's start with virtualization. Virtualization allows you to create simulated computing environments or virtual machines that behave like real physical hardware. Instead of needing a dedicated machine for every test scenario, you can run multiple environments on a single system. Virtual machines can replicate different operating systems, browsers, network settings, or database configurations. This is especially useful when you need to test cross-platform compatibility or run parallel test sessions. Benefits of virtualization in testing include isolation. Each test environment is independent, reducing the risk of test interference. Resource optimization. Run multiple environments using fewer physical resources. Faster setup. Create and reset environments quickly using templates or snapshots. Cost savings. Reduce hardware dependency and maintenance costs. Tools like VMware, VirtualBox, and Hyper-V are commonly used for local virtualization, while CI tools like Jenkins can automate provisioning and cleanup. Next, let's explore cloud-based testing environments. These environments run in the cloud and provide on-demand access to test infrastructure, tools, and devices. This means you don't need to maintain your own test labs. You simply spin up what you need when you need it. Popular platforms like AWS Device Farm, Browser Stack, and Sauce Labs offer access to hundreds of device and browser combinations. You can test mobile apps, web applications, APIs, and more across geographies and platforms. Cloud testing provides several major advantages. Scalability. Instantly add environments for peak loads or regression runs. Accessibility. Teams can access test environments from anywhere, supporting remote and distributed teams. Integration. Easily integrate with test automation frameworks and CI/CD pipelines. Reduce setup time, no installation or configuration delays. Start testing immediately. Cloud environments also support performance testing by simulating thousands of virtual users, allowing you to validate application behavior under load. Here's how to decide which approach to use. Use virtualization when you need local control, rapid prototyping, or custom configuration. Use cloud testing for scalability, real device coverage, and global access. Combine both for a hybrid approach. Develop and test locally, then validate at scale in the cloud. Security and cost management are key considerations. Use role-based access, encrypted connections, and automated shutdowns to prevent unauthorized use or unexpected charges. In summary, virtualization enables flexible, efficient local test environments. Cloud-based testing offers scalable, on-demand access to global infrastructure. Together, they empower QA teams to test smarter, faster, and more reliably. In our next session, we'll explore how test execution and defect management workflows bring all these tools and strategies into real action. Let's keep building your modern testing toolkit.